To stay ahead in your Office's Excel game, you have to be familiar with this very straightforward technique. Any typical Excel user can reveal a hidden worksheet by simply right-clicking on any of this worksheet here, and then from this context menu you're going to select Unhide, and in here on this pop-up you're going to select the worksheet that you want to unhide and click OK, and that particular worksheet will become visible for you. Now, what if you want to fully restrict access to this hidden worksheet? How can you achieve that? Well, this is how you do it. By the way, this technique is only applicable to macro enable worksheet. So let's get started. Let's say this sheet is what you want to hide. Right clicks on this worksheet, view code, and if your properties windows is not visible here, you're going to go to view and then go properties window. Alternatively, you can press F4 and then your properties windows will be available for you. Make sure that you're still selected to the correct worksheet, and under the visibility you're going to change that to very hidden. If you go back to your workbook, that particular worksheet is invisible or hidden from you. Now, if you try to unhide by right-clicking on any of this worksheet, you can see that the unhide from the context menu is not available for you. Now, to display or reveal your very hidden worksheet, right-click on any of this worksheet, go to View Code, and make sure you're selected to the right worksheet that you want to make it visible, and then go back to Visible and change this to Visible, and you can see that the worksheet becomes visible for you again. One thing I want to underline here, let's go back to our VBA here, is that when you select a worksheet, there's two ways to conceal or hide your worksheet. One is hidden and one is very hidden. And a lot of people ask me, what's the difference between hidden and very hidden? Let me show you with the demonstration. If I were to make that DBX sheet hidden, you can see it's gone from visibility. But with hidden, if you right click, you see you can unhide using the right click function like you do regularly. That hidden function is same as doing right click and hide, but very hidden is something that's hidden on the VBA level.